Mudiwa Chirume.
And I'm Tutum Siman. We're from Varied Estates in Fourways.
And we're proud to present to you number 14 Vermont Park, situated in one of the most sought after estates in the Fourways area.
This lovely newly refurbished property features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a study, plus many other gorgeous features.
This is a corner stand sitting on about 562 meters squared with 400 meters squared under roof living space. Alright, I'm going to start by showing you inside. So of course, right as you enter, offset to the left, you've got this lovely living room right over here. It has custom shelving as well as a built-in fireplace. One of the best features of this home is of course just the natural indoor-outdoor flow. So right off of your living room, of course, you do have this beautiful covered patio right over here. And of course, this is one of 3. So a very entertainment-focused home. Of course, as you make your way over here to your second covered patio, you'll see that this area is more dining-focused. One thing that I love about this property is of course the beautiful backdrop that you see right behind us. Another great selling point of this home is of course the open plan living spaces. So feeding right off of your living room over there, of course you've got this lovely dining room area right over here, which feeds right into your kitchen. Just one more thing. Of course, when you stock up right before the family meeting, you're going to need somewhere to put all that. Right inside here, you'll find yourself a lovely dry bar. Hold on, shouldn't you be working?
It's hard not to in this study. And welcome to the CEO's study. Everything you need and want is right here. Fiber connection, built-in bookshelf, everything you need. And the extravagant master bedroom. Open, airy, light. But just give it a second. A modern, contemporary and beautiful bathroom, newly refurbished with everything you need. Amazing shower, double vanity, huge bath, and not to mention the ample cupboard space. The indoor-outdoor flow doesn't stop downstairs. It makes its way all up upstairs as well. Just soak in that African sun.